ये देखो मेरा आनी बढ़िया सा ड्रेस पहना फादर इन लॉ का गिफ्ट ऑल सेट टू गो टू टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया First time we are going to Indian festival. Hi, Jasa Uniga.
Taste of India.
Taste of India. First time with my friend and mother-in-law. Super excited.
Yeah, mother-in-law te. Hi, Ekcho.
Mother-in-law, my friend.
Ekcho na.
अभी हम फाइनली पहुंच गया इधर पे जेमिसन पे। तो मैं ड्राइव करके इधर जेमिसन तक आया क्योंकि उधर नेथन फ्लेप्स था बहुत पार्किंग वगैरह बहुत दिक्कत है, इसीलिए मैंने सोचा सिंस आज वीकेंड है तो बस वगैरह मिलना बहुत मुश्किल है। तो मैं ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 40 मिनट ड्राइव करके घर से मिसिसागा से इधर इटोबिको पे जेमिसन में पहुंच गया। ओके, तो ये है मेरा फ्रेंड मदर इन लॉ। इतना प्यारा कपड़ा पहना है, मेरा फादर इन लॉ ने गिफ्ट किया था इस मदर इन लॉ को। देखो तो हम अभी वेट कर रहे हैं बस पे। कितना मिनट लगेगा माय फ्रेंड? हाफ एन आवर। हाफ एन आवर। तो बस आने के लिए हाफ एन आवर है गाइस। तो सोचो ना, तो अगर मैं मिसिसागा से बस से आता तो 2-3 घंटा तो तकरीबन इतना बनता। तो अभी चलो दिखाते हैं नेथन फ्लेप्स में टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया। फर्स्ट टाइम वी आर गोइंग देयर, सुपर एक्साइटेड गाइस। तो keep watching and the chief guest over there is Bollywood famous actress Preeti Zinta. She is coming over there and I'm going to see her for the first time in a real life. So of course very excitement, even my mother-in-law also. तो अभी बस का वेट कर रहे हैं, बने रहे वीडियो पे। बस कमिंग नाली था 504 सीधा लक्ष्मी ने। गलत तुम ओके, पहली बार स्ट्रीट कार में जा रहे हैं after how many years my friend? Long time. Me and my mother-in-law, we are working here at street car, and since it's a Sunday but it's not busy, right? And with my bestie, happy friendship day, my cutie Prima.
Next stop, King Street West.
फाइनली गाड़ी से हम लोग उतर गया, अभी जा रहे हैं। Finally we are here at Taste of India. Okay. And there's a protest going on for Bangladeshi. Justice for Bangladeshi student. Let's go. And 3 beautiful girls are doing yoga over there. Oh my god, you look like super busy guys. So first time me with my mother-in-law, and especially me, I'm coming here for the first time here in Nathan Place for Taste of India. So let me show you guys one by one the shop. Okay, so let me show you guys the shop. Okay, so handcrafted in India.
I'm counting on you.
What's for language? Shankar Bhagwan.
Okay, you want to see? Have you guys gone to Grand
Why, Jyotishri la mem mangyola perfume la. Cha Jyotishri gyola mishi. Alkash. Ha, ti mola ko wai. Excitement do ti mola ko ama. 오메시 국가랑 들리는 말고 국가 마디니 저랑 뭐래나 순이랑 국가 들람
How many people are here? Come on, there's got to be a lot of people.
Okay, let's go.
Keep up prizes, guys. Don't you worry. Plus, you're going to be up here on stage at the largest festival in North America. So that's pretty cool in itself. Please bring up your attention.
와 이쪽 남들이 뭐 이쪽도 샴바라 키친 짜기로
Okay, whoever you can call, come up that way.
Strawberry, सारे वेस्ट जूस
excited हो 지금 우리 밥이 뭐라나 항아네 아니 니 저기 영상 어느 나가 잘 열어갔다가 네.
Okay, guys, we always have a lot of fun with this game at Nemo Presents Taste of India. So, can I get a thumbs up from my sound guys that the music, the song is ready? Once the song plays, okay guys, you guys are gonna do this step, alright? Oh, look at you, just tying your down already. You gotta do dance professionally. Oh, alright. Okay. We're not gonna, have any expectations.
와, 책임! 유튜브 대신 유튜브.
Okay, ready? You guys wanna give yourself
오베. 마음에 오마 유, 오베. 샴발라 키친 handsome owner. 아이비들은 폰 들고 나오자.
Alright, okay. First of all, audience, how was that? Give them a hand, please. Good. We like that. Okay. Is there anyone else who thinks they can do a better job than what you just saw up here? Anybody? Going once? Going twice? Yeah,
Okay, first shop here, Shambhala Kitchen, our all-time favorite food.
Chicken momo, veg momo.
Okay, first of all, I want to hear men in here make some noise.
아니요. 근데 좋아.
Make some noise.
내가 잘라보지. 아니 웃지 않는 서로 있단 게. 항소리 옛날에.
Make some noise for Mr. Modi.
항소리 옛날에.
Make some noise.
아니.
Alright.
자, 운동 차원하면.
나도
타오비 많이 합시다. 아니 그래 다. Okay, सबसे पहला शॉप शंबाला किचन, everyone favorite guys, right? चलो ट्राई करो चिकन मोमो.
किसी ने फूड वेंडर्स के पास have you guys gone?
So yummy 보시죠. 티슈가 심하니 난지.
I want to quickly shout out, we have over 50, 100. How many? pizza, thank you, Manchoholo. And Mr. Chai, thank you some chai, got it chai. So make sure all of them out. They are fantastic. And all the other amazing managers we have here. So, okay, who here wants to sing Preeti Zinta make some noise, please?
The second shop here. Jikesh, please know how much? Happy friendship
being and the heartthrob of 2000s. Everybody make some noise for Preeti Zinta! Make some noise continuously, people! Make some noise! Hey, hey!
enjoyed all the stalls because खाना बड़ा ज़बरदस्त लग रहा था, पर नहीं मिला. But it's so nice to see all of you. Before we get on with the show, I did thank Rinku and Rajesh for making this happen, for inviting me, and for making this whole festival happen. I happened to go and see the festival in San Jose, and it was beautiful. But this is the wow. The Pataka Festival.
Let's go.
And it's even more wow for me because I'm coming back to Toronto after so long. So thank you for having me here, and I'm loving every minute of it. I really do hope I get to try some khana. But I hope you all have fun and enjoy yourself. And woohoo!
Alright.
That we have, the audience wants to hear you and wants to hear all the things about you. So we have some questions for you. Thank you so much. Okay. We have some questions for you. Okay, our owners ever. We want to know what inspired you to take on a cricket, be the sport as an IPL team owner. I've always been inclined towards sports since I was little. I did gymnastics, I played basketball, I did athletics. So I think sports is something, it's great for overall personality development. And when I first heard that private clubs and cricket were going to happen in India, I just wanted to be part of it, and I'm glad I'm part of it. We are so glad you are part of it, and you have been a trailblazer that way. All right.
And there has been amazing as well, the success stories and everything. But hey, there's a pretty much exactly power-packed background behind it as well. But we all know that you have been graduate degree in psychology, you're postgraduate in criminal psychology. There are a lot of people in our audience today who maybe dreaming about it, you want to pursue acting, they want to pursue modeling, singing. What advice would you give them about getting an education first or pursuing your passion first? Because you have done both fantastically. No other better person can be there to guide you on this point.
Well, thank you. I'm not a postgraduate. I did an advanced program in criminal psychology. I just want to say it's very important to follow your passion, but education is very, very important. And especially education makes sure you always have plan B in your life, so never stop your education, guys. And especially us, when we come from Indian families, our parents, they work so hard to put us through school and college, and it's okay to break their heart and change your career, but make sure you at least finish your college. In the film industry, there's so many engineers in the film industry, and a lot of times I tell them, why are you here? And they're like, but the point is that education always helps you in whatever you do. So never drop your education, because the quality of a job you will, the quality of a job you'll get if you're not educated is zameen. All right, we're going to continue with the questions if that's okay. Yeah, Shayan, go for it.
The education is the largest food festival of North America, and our crowd really wants to know. We know you're a foodie, but we're going to test you here. What dish do you miss the most from India, and what is your go-to comfort food?
So I think as Indians, we are very, very lucky. We have such a diverse, cuisine. There's so much khana. My go-to is definitely the food that I miss all the time is mom's home cooked food. There's nothing better than your food that your mom makes. Or your father, by the way. It's not, there is no gender behind cooking. So yes, your mom or your dad. My go-to is parathas, khichdi and kari chawal. I'm a desi at heart.
That's a tasty trifecta.
I'm a desi at heart. So even my kids, they're 2.5-year-old twins I have. Unko bhi, they love khichdi and aloo ka parathas. Yeah. All right, Abdul, your question.
First of all, I'm a biggest fan of yours, and this is my really first time. This guy are really lucky they are at San Jose, but I wasn't able to make it. But this is my really first time, and your visa Zara Ayab Khan role, oh my goodness. And it's like my dream come true.
Undone question.
Okay, sorry guys, sorry.
Thank you. But before thank you, flattery will get you everywhere. So it's okay.
Thank you. Okay, sir. My question is, ma'am, which real life role do you feel resonate the most to your real life?
Which real life role resonated with my real life? Oh, that's already happened. I think there's a bit of me in all my roles, but the ones that I really connected to was Sangharsh. I wanted to be a detective. I never got to be a detective, but that's something. But I think my best role, and it's ongoing, is the role of playing a mom.
All the moms over here, can you make some noise, please?
Yes, this is to all the moms out there, and even to the dads, actually, to all the parents. I never knew how selfless and how difficult it is to be a parent. Being an actor, or even being somebody in a career, you always put yourself first. It's always about I, me, myself, my emotions, my career, what I want. And the minute you have a child, it's about them. And you happily do it. And we never really appreciate and love our parents till we become parents. So to all the parents out there, I think, wow, you guys are wonderful. And to all the kids, it's okay, don't break your head over it. You will not understand and till you become parents. But always love and respect your parents. I know it sounds really weird and I sound like I'm preaching, but that's how I feel now.
Perfect.
It's not weird, it's absolutely respectful, truthful, and there are so many Desis here, all with similar values, so I think they really appreciate you recognizing and saying something like that. So,
we still complain, but like my mother never complained. We were 3 of us, I never heard a complaint. I have twins and I do have limited help. My husband is here and he's really wonderful. But I complain a lot of times because I'm like, it's so difficult. Hey Bhagwan, it's so difficult. But my mom never complained, and to all our...
It's the time to disco or Pretty Woman.
It's the time to disco because Pretty Woman didn't have Saif in it, and It's the Time to Disco had all 3 of us.
All right.
So it's like saying better Saif than sorry. If you get it, you get it.
I have to accept to pick up. This is a rapid fire, but she still have enough explanation that we all can enjoy together. Okay, so now a little tougher. We are in the North Karnataka's largest food festival. So the next rapid fire has to be food. But hey, question to you is, chole bhature or vada pav?
Chole bhature.
And we all know that you are the youngest and one of the first women of IPL team owners. So the team players from your team. Harbhajan Singh or Shikhar Dhawan?
Shikhar Dhawan, because Harbhajan was never in my team. Please no Dharm Sankat.
Oh, yes.
We made that an easy one. We knew it would be Shikhar Dhawan. Like, you have to choose your own team.
That's right. We're going to put you on spot one more time. And we're going to talk about your co-stars, Shah Rukh Khan or Saif Ali Khan.
Okay, on Monday, Shah Rukh, Tuesday, Saif. That's Friday, Shah Rukh.
Those are Shimla any day.
I think Shimla is my Janmbhoomi, Mumbai is my Karam Bhoomi, but you should never forget where you come from, so definitely streets of Shimla.
Okay, so it's my question now. Is it Rani Mukherjee or Kajol?
I would say Rani Mukherjee because I work more with her. I've never worked with Kajol. I'm a fan of Kajol though. Rani's been my co-star and we've done a lot of films together, so Rani.
And this is my special personal question. Preeti Zinta in Dil Se or Preeti Zinta in Veer Zara?
Preeti Zinta in Dil Se because it was my first. You never forget your first, even though I had a total role in it. But it was the first time ever I did a film and that will always be very, very special. Veer Zara was beyond special because I got to work with Mr. Yash Chopra, who was the most iconic director, and I learned so much from him. So Veer-Zaara will always be special. But जो पहली बार होता है, the first love, your first movie is always special. Okay.
Alright.
So we have.
Yeah.
Should I also give you my horoscope and?
I know सभी सवाल पूछ लेंगे, पर मेरे ख्याल में रिंकू जी के you have a सवाल? No, okay.
Okay, I have a सवाल to you guys. Dosa or samosa? No comments. It's a larger question.
Use the dosa and the samosa. Thursday dosa.
I would say you should say dosa because dosa के साथ you get sambar, lal chutney, hari chutney. So एक के साथ you get lots of other things free, right? Samosa के साथ you get only one chutney. So.
All right, we're gonna move towards the lamp ceremony now. So I will
But I
please.
still have one last question.
Sure, please.
So what inspired you guys to do this food festival? Like why? And I'm so glad you did, but I really want to know.
Well, I don't want you to say I was in Ottawa, I was in Parliament House, and I just came outside and there were a group of the people, they wanted to order some lunch. And they were thinking like, somebody says, let's order Indian food. Guys, it's really, you guys wanted to listen this. So somebody says, let's order Indian food. And there was two, three people and say, no. Indian food is all about butter chicken and samosa. I was so pissed off that time. Hello, like it's not butter chicken and samosa. You go coast to coast, north, east, west, south, and we get different food everywhere in India. So I said, you don't say that. And he was a big name. I don't want you to say that name. And he apologized in the second year of my Taste of India in front of a lot of people. So I'm glad we started. This is our 7th year, and it's the largest food festival of North America today in Toronto and North America.
Well, thank you for doing this. Thank you for having me. I also wanted to say we saw 2 performances and they were fantastic. Something that life, and it happens in life all the time. If you saw the second performance, there was a sound issue and the girls came back and they just stood on stage and they performed so well in take 2. And I think that was beautiful the way they performed. I also want to say thank you to that sofa out there. We were sitting out there jallowing and bhunoing in the sun. And
those are title sponsors.
We were dying in the sun and the sofa for us. So thank you guys. That's so sweet. I really appreciate it.
Culture back Canada. I'm immensely proud of the contributions that the Indian community has made to Canadian society, whether in business, academia, arts or technology.
Together for the lamp ceremony as well. We always say, Tamso Ma Jyotirgamay, यानी कि अंधकार से प्रकाश तरफ ले जाने वाली वो शक्ति जो हम सबको एक अंधकार से प्रकाश तरफ ले जा रही है। एक ऐसी शक्ति जो हमेशा हमें सफलता की ओर दौड़ती है। एक ऐसा प्रकाश जो हमेशा हम सबको सफलता की ओर लेकर जाता है। और आज जब 7वां साल टेस्ट ऑफ इंडिया का हम सब साथ में मिलकर एंजॉय कर रहे हैं, तो एक ऐसी शक्ति जो हम सबको और आगे ले जाएंगी। बस इसी विश्वास के साथ हम लैम्प सेरेमनी के साथ आप सबके जय घोष के साथ everybody make some noise once again। तमसो मा ज्योतिर्गमय यानी कि अंधकार से प्रकाश तरफ ले जाने वाली ये शक्ति जो हम सबको सफलता की ओर तोड़ रही है।
And we can play
Canadian National Anthem, please.
We stand. सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Bharat Mata ki! Now ever loudest possible to such an attitude. And on this note,
Okay, let's go for one more time for Vande Mataram. Let's say 3, 2, 1, Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram! Vande Mataram!
Alright, and with that, I'll ask the Council General.
Its strength is its diversity, and I congratulate the organizers for this joyous celebration showcasing the true diversity of India, the cultures of various regions of India, especially to the wider audience. In a few days, we'll be celebrating the 77th anniversary of India's independence. The Indo-Canadian community has made massive contributions to Canada, but also to the development of India-Canada relations, including economic and people-to-people ties. I want to take this moment to congratulate all of you in advance. Thank you for your contributions and to wish you all the very best. Jai Hind, thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Adachi, for joining here as well. It was lovely to have you on the stage as well.
Okay, and I know yesterday we were so gracious to have Mayor Olivia Chow here and MPP Sabawi here, and they both were able to speak, but we didn't hear from MPP Amarjot Sandhu, Parliamentary Assistant to the Minister of Infrastructure. So please, kuch do shabd.
Thank you so much, Rebecca ji. Good evening, everyone. Sat Shri Akal, Namaskar, Adab. It is such an honor for me to be here. And first and foremost, I would like to take this opportunity to congratulate my friends Rajesh and Rinku Shah for working so hard to make this event happen. Also, we have the honor of hosting a special guest today. Preeti Zinta ji, who have won millions of hearts with her charisma, grace, and outstanding performances. And Preeti ji, it's not that you're standing here. I have bunked school many times to watch your movies. And my favorite movie was Dil Chahta Hai. So it's lovely to meet you in person. And Rinku and Rajesh, thank you so much. This festival is a perfect opportunity for all of us to experience the very unique of India's unique culture, I would say. And delicious food and great music will allow you to soak in India's rich history. And moreover, Taste of India Food Festival is a celebration of life. And especially with so much attention today that focused on the things that separates us, Taste of India Food Festival is an effort to enjoy living. Rinku ji and Rajesh ji, I know you worked so hard and your work doesn't stop here. I know you will start working for 2025 tomorrow onwards. So congratulations and wish you all the best. You already started.
Thank you.
No, actually, after Taste of India, we are gonna do the Diwali Festival of Lights with the permission of 3!
Let's go! One more time, bring back out everybody. 3, 2, 1, let's go!
India, India,
Louder!
India, India,
More louder! One more time! Thank you so much, people. You guys are lovely. Please all.
3, 2, 1, where are we? We are in Toronto. Everybody, let's do Toronto!
That's lovely. That's lovely. You guys are fantastic. By the way, for showing up on time, to stay with us. Come on. You guys are heart and soul. You have been fantastic support for Taste of India. That's why we have reached to season 7. Please do join us for Diwali as well.
Just
But now,
season 7. We have gone international. San Jose. just completed Taste of India. And Taste of India in January 2025 is going to
Dubai! Alright, Taste of India is going to Dubai now.
So-
Shayan and Abdul, what's coming up?
Alright, we are gonna start. Our performers are ready. Our crowd is warmed up. Preeti Shizinda is here. And we're gonna continue the power pack performances that we have.
Okay, jangan so. हम सब ने अलग अलग टेस्ट का खाना खाने के लिए
आगे का कौन मुझे आज के में आज आने पर तो कौन दो में
Bye bye. Bye bye. Dili niya ba? Bye bye, Sangmo.
Bye bye.